In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your video camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. We all know how convenient it is to connect with colleagues or friends through virtual meetings, but sometimes privacy is important, whether you need to turn off your camera for bandwidth issues, multitasking, or simply for comfort. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to easily manage your video settings in Microsoft Teams. First, let's focus on what you need to do before you even join a meeting. Microsoft Teams gives you the option to turn off your camera right from the pre-join screen. As you prepare to enter a meeting, you'll notice an icon that looks like a video camera. This icon is located on the bottom section of your pre-join screen, typically near the middle. By clicking on this camera icon, you can toggle your camera off. A simple click should suffice. You will see the icon change, indicating that your camera is now off. This means when you join the meeting, your video will not be active, thereby ensuring that your participation is audio only unless you decide to turn your camera on during the meeting. This can be particularly handy if you're connecting from a location where video is unnecessary or unwanted. Now let's talk about what to do if you're already in a meeting and you decide to turn your video off. For this, you will need to look at the meeting control bar, which is usually situated either at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your setup. This control bar houses various tools you'll need during the meeting, including the key to controlling your video settings. Find the camera icon on this bar. It functions just like a toggle switch. To turn off your video, click this icon. When your camera is off, you'll notice the icon will display a slash through it. This slash icon is your visual confirmation that your camera is off and no one else in the meeting can see you. If at any point you wish to switch your video back on, simply click on the same icon again and the slash will disappear, indicating that your video feed is now active for the meeting. Mastering the ability to control your video settings in Microsoft Teams can greatly enhance your meeting experience by offering you flexibility and control over how you present yourself in virtual environments. These straightforward steps ensure you can navigate the camera settings effortlessly, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, the content of the meeting itself. With these insights, you're now equipped to manage your presence in any Microsoft Teams meeting confidently. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to helping you with more helpful tips in future videos.